Introducing the Cat Hammock wall-mounted cat bed. A stylish new take on cat furniture, this hammock attaches directly to the wall. Handmade and washable. Easy to install. Instructions and hardware provided. Also, comes in cream, beige, and teal. You can also add wall-mounted sisal steps. Each step provides your cat with not only an awesome perch, but also the perfect scratching post. Each step is covered in sisal rope. Perfect if you have a piece of furniture your cat can step from. These steps can be used on their own or in combination with a wall-mounted cat hammock bed. Provides a vertical space for your cat to perch, nap, and watch the action. Your cats will love their newfound freedom.